Most commonly injured area is the hands. However, what would come to plastic surgery are the more severe injuries, the blast injuries that do affect the hands. And unfortunately, we've seen very severe injuries in the past years where children have lost many fingers, indeed their whole hand. Facial injuries is another area. You can get minor burns to the face, which, although not particularly troublesome in a functional way, can be problematic. It can disfigure them for the rest of their life, and it's an obvious area. Very much so. We have found that all of these, certainly the more extensive injuries that come to us, would all be preventable if fireworks were used in a proper way. It's very important to utilise fireworks and treat them with respect. They're very dangerous. They're very dangerous implements. They're explosives, and handling them with utmost respect and care is paramount. Most of the injuries have been due to misuse of fireworks, illegal fireworks, or taking fireworks down and rebuilding them in a way that they weren't designed. But proper use of the firework code seldom produces injuries. At the time, unfortunately, many of the children don't realise what they've done, but very, very quickly the message comes through. I've seen children who have lost parts of their hands and initially aren't quite sure of the exact impact it's going to have, and following up over the years, it has become quite obvious to the child and to myself that it's going to affect them for the rest of their life, both the respective function of what they can do and psychologically because of this. At the time, we tried to reconstruct as much as we can, but with the extent of these blast injuries, we're very limited in many occasions. Over the years, you can utilise other methods. There's prostheses available, but it never really substitutes for the real thing. Yes, the children will grow up and will learn to adapt and manipulate in other ways, but they will have significant problems with the function and what they really should have been doing. And this is a message to get through to them. At the time, they just do not realise, at a momentary lapse of reason, that just a few seconds of very, very inappropriate use of these explosives will ruin the rest of their life.